We'll guide you through how to use Mailchimp features effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Mailchimp on your computer and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. Here, you'll find all the tools you need to create and manage your email campaigns. To create a new campaign, click on the Create button, usually located at the top right of your screen. Choose Email from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the campaign builder where you can customize your email. Start by giving your campaign a name. Then, select your audience. If you want to add a new audience segment, go to the Audience tab and choose Manage Contacts to sort your contacts according to your strategy. Next, design your email by choosing a template that suits your needs. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates, or you can create a new one from scratch. Click on Design Email to start editing. Add your text, images, and any other elements you need. Make sure to use the Preview button to see what your email will look like on different devices. Once you're happy with your design, click Save and Close. Next, set up your delivery options. Choose the date and time you want your email to be sent. You can also use Mailchimp's Send Time Optimization feature to determine the best time to send your emails based on your audience's past engagement. Before you send your email, Mailchimp will review your campaign to ensure everything is in order. You'll receive a checklist that highlights any potential issues. If everything looks good, click Send to launch your campaign. Don't forget to regularly check the Reports section. Here, you can track your campaign's performance, including open rates and click-through rates, which can help you refine future campaigns. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.